Hello friends, welcome to all. This is Archana Saxena from Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station, Sarsawa. In this video, work we do, we will learn about different kind of work that people do at different places. Before proceeding with the topic, let's see what are the subtopics of this lesson. What is work? What is the need of work? Next, what are the different kinds of work? What is work and what is occupation? What is the difference between work and occupation? Different occupations work at different places. First of all, we should know what is work. An activity that engages people and sharpen their skills is work. Work is performing a task with effort. Whenever we do an activity with effort, it is work. Why people go outside to do work? What is the need of work? Of course, the first reason is for earning money. Along with this reason, some other reasons also, better health and lifestyle. When people go outside and meet with different people, when they regularly go to different places for work, they follow a definite routine. It improves the health and lifestyle. Mental and physical balance. When people work, they think, they move their body parts, and it balances them mentally and physically. Next is happiness. Of course, when we get money, we get happiness. Socio-cultural development. When people go to different places for work, they meet with people from different backgrounds. They learn to respect everyone's culture. This is socio-cultural development. What are the different kinds of work? Work is of two types, paid and unpaid. Everyone works in family, but we get no money for this because it's our responsibility. This type of work is called household work. What is most important? The most important thing is how the household work is divided among all family members. Either one person is responsible for all kind of work or all family members cooperate. Some activities that we do in our family are brooming, dusting, mopping, cleaning of toilet, washing clothes, washing utensils, cooking, watering plants, etc. What is the difference between work and occupation? When we do some activity in our home, this is not my occupation. This is not our occupation. When people do the work regularly to earn money, it is called occupation. We observe different occupations in our surrounding. You have studied about in earlier class, in class 2nd, in our helpers. Some common occupations are doctor, barber, plumber, electrician, mason, cobbler, carpenter, fruits and vegetable seller, traffic police. But in this lesson, we will know different kind of work at different places. You see different buildings in your city where many people work. Let's see what kind of work people do at different places. Look at these pictures of common buildings. These are most important buildings, and these places have an important role in our life. Post office, bank, hospital, school, railway station, petrol pump, airport, etc. First of all, let's see what work is done in schools. Number one, learning of different subjects. We learn different subjects in schools. Along with this, we participate in many co-curricular activities like storytelling, poem recitation, drawing and painting, and we learn a lot. We learn sports activities also. We organize community lunch through which we learn to respect other cultures. We organize investiture ceremony when students of class 11th or 12th are selected as head boy or head girl, and they accept their responsibilities towards the betterment of school. Next, work in hospital. Treatment of patients. When we sick, we go to the hospital. And the next is important work is vaccination of children. What is vaccination? Vaccination means to inject a medicine to the child for preventing some diseases in future. Vaccination is done at definite age group. Next, what kind of work is done in bank? Deposit and withdrawal of money, savings of money, locker facility for the security of jewels and other assets, important documents, zero balance account for poor people, loan, different kinds of loan, loan for farmers, education loan, car loan, etc. Work in post office. We can open saving account in post office also. We can buy letter, stamps for communication. We can send registered letter. We can send speed post. We can send money through money order. Parcel facilities is also in post office. What kind of work is done at railway station? Railway provides passenger trains, goods train, parcel facility. There is a reservation counter also. And when we go for journey, we can pass our time by shopping of different useful things at the platform. But some children are not so fortunate. They are not so lucky like us. They are facing poverty. They have no money to fulfill their basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. They are insisted by their family members, go outside, work and earn money. This is called child labor. Though child labor has been banned in our country since 1986, but many children still work for their livelihood. It's our responsibility that every child may complete school education, because child labor exploits the children mentally, physically, and emotionally. Right to education is an effort to prevent child labor. What is right to education? Every child has right to get free and compulsory education up to the age of 14 years. This is everyone's responsibility that we should spread the awareness regarding education of children. Here are, in the end of this video lesson, there are two pictures. In these pictures, many people work different kind of activities. There are different kind of buildings also. Observe and find out what kind of work, what kind of occupations is showing in these two pictures. You can see the plus sign. Plus sign is a symbol of hospital. You can see school. So this is an exercise for you all children. Find out the occupations and buildings that are shown in these two pictures. Thank you.